You are listening to Doug Thorpe's New Manager Forum. Sit back and enjoy this new message. Here's Doug.
Hi, everybody. Doug Thorpe here. Today I want to talk about a simple but very real dynamic when a young first-time manager takes over a position and now has to be the leader of the team as opposed to just a contributor on the team. As you move into that position, one of the toughest challenges that I think you're going to face is your confidence. Your confidence is going to take a hit. People are going to be asking you questions. They're going to be challenging your decisions. They're going to be working through a lot of things that are going to make you doubt what you're thinking and your own decision process to get there. So I want to encourage you to know that by virtue of your position, you've got to maintain your own confidence about what you're doing, what you know, what you believe to be true, the way you go about your decision process. And there's a couple of things that you can think about doing to keep that confidence strong. Number one, you do need to be able to be introspective. You need to look at what you believe. You need to have a solid ability to explain that to yourself and to others. You need to demonstrate that belief in everything you do day after day. Number two, you need to have a support network. You do need to have a small group of either colleagues or associates. Family, friends are not always the best way to do it, but people that you've come to know that you know you can huddle with, you can bounce things off, you can share ideas, you can gut check what's going on. So number one, being able to be confident and secure in what you think and what you believe. Number two, have that accountability group. Those two things will do monumental accomplishments in keeping your confidence strong, keeping you firm, keeping you grounded in what you need to do as a new manager. So I'm going to encourage you to think about those two things. You've just spent a moment having a cup of coffee with Doug. See you again soon. If you need some more tips and ideas on management and leadership, go to my blog at dougthorpe.com. And by the way, if you will, leave a comment. Would love to hear from you and throw up an idea about topics you'd like me to discuss in these sessions. So we'll see you again soon. And again, have a good cup. Talk to you later. Bye.
You have been listening to Doug Thorpe's New Manager Forum. Visit our website at dougthorpe.com. Leave a comment or ask a question. We'll see you in the next episode.